We will guide you through how to make teleport effect in CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch CapCut on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing project where you want to add the effect. Import the video you want to use for the teleport animation and place the footage onto the main timeline. Move the playhead to the exact frame just before the subject appears, making sure you select the correct moment for the teleport effect. Create a freeze frame from that moment, so you can use a still version of the subject during the animation. Select the freeze frame and open the cutout or remove BG option from the editing panel. Use the background removal tool to remove the surrounding background, so only the subject's body remains visible. Place the cutout freeze frame on an overlay track below the empty scene footage. Add the main video clip as another overlay on the same lower layer, keeping the footage aligned with the original scene. Trim the cutout freeze frame so it lasts approximately 0.2 to 0.3 seconds, creating a very short section for the teleport animation. Move the playhead to the end of the short cutout clip and add a keyframe for the subject's size and position. Then move the playhead back to the beginning of the cutout clip and reduce the subject's scale. Adjust its position until the subject completely disappears from the frame, creating the appearance that the person is rapidly vanishing. Open the Effects tab from the top toolbar to add additional visual movement to the teleport sequence. Select Video Effects and use the search bar to look for blur. Browse the available blur effects and choose one that creates a suitable motion appearance for your edit. Place the selected blur effect over the teleport section on the timeline. Adjust the blur settings and duration so the effect creates a quick motion snap appearance. Play the sequence to preview how the subject disappears and transitions into the surrounding footage.